welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. This is Miss Mia on my bed this morning. Hi little lady. Today's video is going to be kind of a Sunday reset vlog slash just getting my shit together. It is actually July 31st, so tomorrow is August 1st, so I kind of wanted to do not only a Sunday reset but also like setting intentions and getting ready for August. So yeah, I don't really have much planned. I have like a little to-do list that I'll pop on the screen. This is what I am looking to achieve today. I definitely think it's all achievable. I'm hoping actually to get it all done this morning, like just roll it out right now. I just woke up, so I'm feeling like super tired right now, but I wanted to just get up and get immediately filming and get immediately resetting and cleaning and getting my life together. So that is what we're gonna be up to, and I think the first thing I'm gonna do is start with just straightening up my room, and then once my room is straightened up, I need to do my bathroom, my desk, make breakfast, make a smoothie. I have to create a reel today. I have a bunch of little things that I want to get done. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I handle this Sunday reset, but I guess we'll just roll the aesthetic music in the back and get cleaning.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill.
Usually in my Sunday reset videos, I'm always doing my laundry. Down at school, I was always doing laundry, but here, my laundry turnaround is next level. My mom, I think she just really enjoys doing laundry. I will get the clothes back that I wore last night. Like literally, these clothes, if I put them in the washer, I'd have them back tomorrow. And that's just something I've never had before. She's so on it with laundry, which is so amazing. I hate that I'm getting used to this because once I have to go back and do my own, I usually wait till the end of the week and then just do one load a week. So that's why I'm not washing my sheets and doing laundry in this video. Otherwise I usually would. I'm gonna wash out my Hydro Flask. This is your sign and reminder that you need to clean these out. They get nasty and moldy and they need a proper cleanse. The rest of my room is pretty clean already. Honestly, all that I have to do in here is just Clorox some stuff and then just put little odds and ends away. But otherwise it's pretty clean in here because I keep it pretty straightened during the week. And I want you guys to see and look how good my honor situation is in here. It's so organized. I can do a full showing of that a different time. Alrighty, we can check my room cleaning off of the list. Didn't have to do much there, but glad that I got it all straightened up. And then my rug that's usually here is just in the washing machine, so that'll be back. But Miss Mia, it's time for the next spot. You're so cute. So cute. Next up, I'm straightening up my desk. It just gets like random stuff all on top that I have to handle. I recently bought an external hard drive because I have so much stuff on my computer already from filming and stuff, and more SD cards and the USB-C cable because Amazon Prime Day was a while ago and I got all those things for a good deal. So I need to actually unbox them and put them away. And then everything else is pretty tidy still. I just need to get everything off the top. And as for my bathroom, it's also not that bad. This was my first time ever having my own bathroom. So it's kind of a lot of space for me and I'm very happy about it, but I'm still getting it organized. So I need to just like put all of this stuff, get it tidied up. I want to Clorox. I love to Clorox every single Sunday at least, and then clean the toilets and straighten up the shower, do fresh bath towels. My other hand towels are in the wash already. And yeah, since my brother doesn't really live at home anymore, this is basically my bathroom, which is a blessing.
You wanna cry ill will, really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love.
Okay, that was super quick, but the desk is tidy and this little notebook is so freaking cute. I got it from Target. I am gonna write my ideas for content while I eat my breakfast.
Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. Yeah, take my hand. I promise to find love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
bathroom is done. It's literally so easy to clean the bathroom. It's just like something that people put off and I don't know why. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm actually gonna eat these egg bites that I made. They are gonna be in an upcoming YouTube video as I'm trying new breakfast recipes. So you guys will see that super soon, but I really like them. They reheat really well. So I'm gonna have an egg bite. I might make a smoothie as well. I've been getting way too much Starbucks, so I need to chill on it. So I think I'm gonna do smoothie and egg bite for breakfast while I set my intentions for August. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but I got an exciting package the other day from hexclad and I was too excited. I wanted to unbox it live for you guys in a video, but I was too excited. My mom was so excited, she wanted to see what I got, so we actually just filmed the unboxing and I was like, okay, I'll just pop it in my next YouTube video. So we are just going to very awkwardly segue into those clips so that you guys can see the unboxing because I filmed it just for you guys so you guys could be a part of the filming process. So roll back the clips. These are the mixing bowls. So there are 3 stainless steel mixing bowls. And then here are the actual bowls. I like the 3 sizes.
I like that they have the rubber.
Yeah, the rubber bottom so it doesn't bang on the countertop. So there's 3 different sizes. There's like the little one, the mid-size, and then a big one. I usually use like the mid to make most of my things, I feel like. And then there are tops that go on here so that you can put them in the fridge. If you need to learn more about them, there's instructions. So, oh, they vacuum seal. I thought it would have like a picture of knives. You know what I mean? Something for me to show. I think this is the most exciting one. It's a gift for us both. Okay. Oh, very fancy.
Oh, wow.
They're green.
Perfect stage moment.
Oh my gosh. Look at these. I didn't realize they were gonna be this pretty. A good chef is only as good as their knives. I'm looking like a great chef. They have, oh wow. These are the knives. I love the green, that's so slay. And is that like a knife sharpener?
Yes.
I need to learn like what knives actually cut what things. I'm on my way to being a great chef. So. Thank you so much. Slay, I love those, my favorite thing. And then this box was like literally already half open from the bottom. So let's hope that our wok is okay. We got the 12-inch wok. It's a big wok. I don't know what I'm gonna be making in this, but I will be walking it up. I guess I'm like on the same level as Gordon Ramsay at this point because Gordon works with them too, so. I'm just kidding.
I'm guessing that Gordon
kidding.
wouldn't agree.
I don't think Gordon agrees either, but I actually watch MasterChef avidly, so. I'll use his techniques when I use my new wok that is so big.
Oh, that's nice.
And I think they're known for this hex shape because they're hex-clad. She's fancy. So, stay tuned to see what I make with all this stuff. Mom, tell them what you just told me. It's come to my attention that the direct quote that I was poking fun at came from the one and only Gordon Ramsay. She took a closer look at the card. Mr. Gordon himself said this. Gordon said it here first. I think I'm a good chef.
So then you should be a believer.
I mean, I knew I was, but if Gordon says it, it must be. Well, thank you, hexclad. I appreciate it. And you guys will see all this stuff in upcoming cooking videos and reels and everything because I'm gonna try to be more consistent with my food content. I used to post food content all the time and then I got a little lazy because I started living here and then you would help me cook. But when I have to cook for myself, I'll be back at it. I get a lot of questions about like my smoothie recipe, like what I put inside. The base liquid is always apple juice. I'm just gonna use the rest of this. If I don't have apple juice, I use like any type of juice. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of strawberry, a little bit of peach. My mom isn't here right now, so I'm just making it for myself. Sometimes I like to squeeze in lemon juice, and since my mom isn't here, I'm putting protein in. She doesn't love the protein in her smoothies, which totally understandable. I've been really poor with my protein intake. Also, don't you guys love this? Supplement cabinet. We love that. So I'm gonna put some fit whey in here and get into it. The key is when you make a smoothie, you make the whole smoothie and then at the end you put the fit whey in only for a few seconds to blend it because it prevents it from getting that really weird airy texture.
That I'm crazy. You should ask her about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber.
That scared the literal life out of me. Mia too, apparently. It's okay, sweet girl. I don't know what happened? I don't know what happened. Feels like a good time to put the protein powder in. This looks yummy. Time for the pour. Let's hope I don't spill this shit everywhere. Very thick and nice. Okay, I can never, ever, ever make the right portion. This is a no waste space. And I used to never make smoothies because I feel like they're a lot of work like to clean up and stuff. But someone recently told me that you just fill this up with soap and water and you put it back on the blender and then it basically cleans it and then you just have to do a little scrubbing. So ever since they showed me that, I've made smoothies so much more. And also, I'm gonna have my Women's Best immunity gummies and my chewy jelly bean. I'm so sorry about this too. I was trying to hide it, but we can't just hide that all the time. I'm trying the spoon trick too while I'm at it. But anyways, immunity gummies and jelly bean vitamins for breakfast along with my smoothie and my egg bites. So time to grub it up. Okay, time to enjoy my breakfast. So I just have the egg bites and my Women's Best supplements. I don't usually eat here, but since I'm like kind of journaling, I figure I'll like be comfy. But essentially what I'm doing is basically it's a content idea dump. So I just dump any and all ideas that I've had recently and then I just put them here. And then if I don't do them in August, I'll just put them into the next month. But at the moment, content creation is my full-time gig. I'm not working like a 9-to-5 or anything like that. I would love for content creation to forever be my full-time gig, but I just don't see that being how things work for me. But for now it is, and I'm just so grateful for that because I get to put all of my energy into like the creative aspect and just showing up more for social media, which has been really good for me. I think like for a long time I was in a very weird funk and I feel like July was the month where I finally started to get out of it and feel like more myself. Going on that trip with my friends helped me to be myself again, and I just had so much going on at the beginning of the year, and now that things are starting to settle and take shape and move forward, I feel like I've done a lot of healing, which is exactly what I needed, as silly as it might sound. With this being my full-time gig, I feel like it's really hard when you work for yourself or when you have your own business or something to separate work and life. And I feel like for me, like all summer I've been on grind mode. There's always something that I can do and I love it because I love that I can constantly edit something, I can constantly film something, I can constantly create. I personally love that, but I also think once I move back down with my friends and stuff, I need to find a balance because I want to spend time with them and I won't have time to do all of this as free-spirited as I have been. So adding some structure for the upcoming month I think will be great as I kind of transition into a new like living situation. I will update you guys more on the house stuff and all of that. That's going to be its own video, but I just wanted to pop this in here. I'm going to spend some time just writing out some content ideas. If you guys have any ideas for me, let me know please. I would really appreciate it. I'd love to create things that you guys ask for.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end, hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you.
Okay guys, that is going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was kind of shorter, quicker, but I got everything done that I wanted to in honestly like an hour, which is go me. But I'm so excited for the upcoming month and to take you guys through the upcoming content ideas I have. And it's so great to see the YouTube family grow. I'm so grateful for all of you guys. I hope you guys have noticed how hard I've been trying to be consistent and post a lot on here. And it's probably my favorite platform. I know I say this all the time, but I really do enjoy creating for YouTube. I love like longer form videos. I think it's more me. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little Sunday morning reset, getting back into the groove of things, cleaning up. I think it's a big thing, especially with an upcoming month, but honestly for an upcoming week too, is just to refresh your space, feel good in your space, make sure it feels clean. And for an upcoming month, really set intentions, which I know can sound super cheesy and corny, but truly setting intentions and having goals for yourself and having like a new sense of direction going into a new month, I think is the best thing that I can do for myself to give myself structure and motivation. And I highly recommend it for anyone who either works for themselves or is extremely busy or wants to fit different things in their schedule. This I feel is the best way to do it. So I'll see you guys in an upcoming video, but thank you guys so much again for watching and talk to you later.
I'll be clinging on to you.
And then again, orbiting around.